Hello and welcome to Specifi. Today we're going to look at favorite products. Favorite products can be found under the Products tab on the left-hand side and then scrolling down to Favorites. Now you will notice the little yellow stars on these items. These indicate that a product has been favorited. You can look at the favorites that have just been created by yourself, or you can look at the favorites that have also been created by your team. Favorites can apply to custom products as well as catalog products. Favoriting products is a fundamental part of Specifi. There are hundreds of thousands of items in our database, and most companies use less than, say, 200 products in a given year. If you favorite the items you ever intend to use more than once, you will find that you use your favorite products as your own company's little database, and this will speed up quoting. Thank you.